Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add or remove vehicle registration number on EasyPark. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the EasyPark application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to EasyPark. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have your location, exact location. At the moment mine's not working, but be sure when you set up yours, it'll be here. In the top right corner, you have a lot of things about your profile, as you can of course see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add or remove vehicle registration number on EasyPark. So basically what you need to do is go to the top right corner, as we were at just seconds ago. And here, out of all of these options, you have activity, vehicles, account, and payment. You need to go and click on the vehicle option, which is in the top right corner of the screen at the moment. When you're here, you'll have, as you can see, you can confirm your vehicle. Please enter correct details for your vehicle. So here you can add in your vehicle, and when you add in your vehicle, here you will have it here, as of course you can enter a lot of vehicles. You'll have them all here. Click on the vehicle you want to remove the registration number, click on it and remove it, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.